Hey everyone, Dylan here from Diamond Spotlight, and today we're going to be taking a look at this absolutely stunning 2-carat oval lab diamond engagement ring from James Allen. Now, this particular ring cost $5,500 as shown here. At the time of purchasing it, it features a 2.06 carat oval lab diamond that's H in color, VS1 in clarity. And the setting that you're taking a look here is from James Allen. The setting is their 14K white gold round and marquee shaped diamond engagement ring setting. Now, I'll have a link to the setting down in the video description on James Allen's website. So if you guys want to check out the setting, be sure to head down to the link down below. But I really like this combo. I worked with a team to put this together. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I love the additions of the lotus basket there underneath the diamond. Then you have those round and marquise shaped diamonds on the side with little intricate details going around them. And that center diamond looks fantastic. I love that the center diamond is not obstructed by any halo or anything like that. I love that you can see all the geometry there and see that entire large 2-carat diamond. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this ring cost $5,500, but you can make your own configuration as well, depending on what diamond cut and what setting that you would like. I'll put a link down in the video description to this setting, as well as a link to all of the settings on James Allen's website if you guys want to check them out. And if you guys need more resources about James Allen, I have a variety of unboxings on my channel of a ton of different rings, so be sure to check those out. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.